Hello students, welcome to this video and welcome to my channel Practice with Dhruvan. In this particular video guys, we will be discussing how to find mode, alright, for all the three types of data, raw, ungrouped and grouped. So come on guys, let us begin. So here guys, in the previous video we have already finished ogive. So now we'll move to mode and we'll first take raw data and ungrouped data. Mode is a very simple concept guys. Mode simply means the observation with the highest frequency. It is that value which is repeated most number of times. It's the most commonly repeated value. For example, if we take some numbers, let's take this raw data. We have taken some numbers. Now in this raw data, you just have to identify the value which is repeated most number of times. Well, yes, you are absolutely right. It is 10. So mode is 10. That's it. That's the answer. As simple as that. So come on guys, we'll take sums based on this. So first we are going to take raw data and then ungrouped data. So here we have a raw data. You have to find the mode, as simple as that. So just look at these values. Look at the most common answer. Now here we have made a table. You don't necessarily need to make that for raw data. All right. But here this is just for your understanding. So 12 has frequency 1, 17 has 1, 18 has 3, 19 has 1, 24 has 1, 27 has 1. So here the most common answer is 18. That's it. The mode is 18. So you just have to write one line answer in the exam that 18 is repeated the most number of times and therefore the mode is 18. That's it. Next, second question, we'll take ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, it simply means that table will already be given in the question. That's it. Just look and tell me what is the mode. It's very simple. Look at the value which has the highest frequency. 13 and 11 has the highest frequency 5. That's it. One line answer that 13 and 11 occur maximum number of times and therefore we can say that mode is 13 and 11. That's it. I hope you have understood this. Quickly make a note of this and then we'll move to the main part, that is mode for grouped data. So come on guys, we'll take mode for grouped data, which is histogram. I hope you remember histogram of 9th standard. If you don't, we will revise it. Don't worry. So here guys, we'll take the question. So question is represent the following data on a histogram and then we have to find the mode. So first of all guys, for histogram, the most important thing is the classes should be continuous. Here the classes are not continuous, so we will have to make them continuous. So here we will write heights of students 140 to 144, 145 to 149 and so on. Continuous classes, we have to make this. So let us try to recall the procedure. I'm sure you have done this in 9th as well, but we will recall this procedure. So here, look at the gap between 144 and 145. The gap between 144 and 145 is 1. So here what you have to do is, you have to divide that 1 by 2. I'll just write this and show. So here we will divide that 1 by 2. So here guys, what you have to do is, you have to take the gap of 144, this 144 and 145. The gap is 1. So you have to divide that 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is 0.5. And now you have to subtract the 0.5 from every lower limit and add the 0.5 to every upper limit. So 140 minus 0.5 is 139.5. 144 plus 0.5 is 144.5. So you subtract it from every lower limit and add it to every upper limit. So just keep on doing that. You'll get 144.5 to 149.5, 49.5 to 154.5 and 154.5 to 159.5. That's it. With that, we finish the table and now we can jump to the graph paper. So come on guys, what I want you guys to do is take the graph paper and we'll start plotting and make the histogram first. All right guys, chalo. So here we have taken the graph paper. We'll first make the histogram. Yeah, so let us first make the x-axis, y-axis. So this is the x-axis. Wait, I'll just use a thicker line. All right, so here we go. Here we take the y-axis, then we make the x-axis. On the x-axis for histogram, we will plot the continuous class intervals. Chalo, so here we'll start plotting 139.5. This will be 149.5. This will be, oops, just a minute. It will be 144.5. This will be 149.5. This will be 154.5. This will be 159.5. That's it. That's the last one. On the y-axis, see the highest frequency is 12. All right. So here we can take the scale as 2. 2 centimeter is 2 units or 2 students. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now we have to make the histogram. So for the histogram, we have to make rectangles. All right. I hope you guys remember this. So first class interval is 139.5 to 144.5 and the frequency is 2. So we have to make this rectangle of length 2. Next is rectangle of length 12. The next one is rectangle of length 10. And the last one is rectangle and the last one is rectangle of length 4. And that's it, guys. That's the histogram. We also have to mention the details. So the title of x-axis will be height of students. So height in centimeter. Next, on the y-axis, we have to write continuous. On y-axis, we have to write the number of students, that is the frequencies. So here we will write number of students. And guys, coming to the scale part. So for the scale part, here we will write on x-axis. I'll just pause my video so that you can see the scale. So on x-axis, 2 centimeter is equal to 5 centimeter height. And on y-axis, 2 centimeter is 2 students. All right, guys. So that's about it. And now coming to the mode, I hope you guys have recollected this. All right. We had already done this in your 9th standard. So now we'll come to the main part, that is finding mode. See, for finding mode, what you have to do is take the tallest rectangle. In the tallest rectangle, now here I'm sure you have located the tallest rectangle. Take the top left corner. From that top left corner, you have to take a scale and pencil. Use scale for this. You have to join it to the top left corner of the next rectangle, like this, like you can see on the screen. Next, take the top right corner of the tallest rectangle and join it to the top right corner of the previous rectangle. So you have to use a scale and make these cross lines, the zigzag lines. And then it's very simple. Do you realize that these two lines intersect at a point? From that point, you have to drop a perpendicular. So here we'll drop a perpendicular on the x-axis. That, guys, that value is the mode. So here I want you guys to make this on your graph paper, and then we will check your answer. Your answer should be 148.75 centimeter. That's the right answer. If you get between 147.75, wait, here the gap is of 5, right? 144.5 to 149.5 is 5. So here if you get the answer between 146.75 and 150.75, you will get full marks. All right. So come on, guys, make this, find the mode. All right. I hope you have understood this video. That's about it. That's how we find mode. That's it. So with that, we finish this chapter. I hope you have understood, you have watched all the videos and understood this chapter. I've already said this is one of the most important chapters simply because of the weightage. It has the highest weightage across the entire 10th ICSE mathematics. So here, guys, practice this chapter thoroughly. at the end of every video, I have put some practice questions. Practice them thoroughly, practice the past board questions thoroughly, and that's about it. All right. So like this video, share it with your friends of 10th ICSE. And also, if you have any suggestions or feedbacks, you can post it in the comment box. Thank you very much. Subscribe to this channel so that you keep on getting updates about the chapters which I'll be posting. Thank you.